Uba Kyrmen chela menteri bedekmi yakna revenue and system management ka sarkar chela ulong ba omla banlei ei wat lada ka jingsiew by lutksan sikilnot bashalan shop haki bol moryang kirit plan namar haban bud yaki kyndon haba jubab yak jingli na kilat patai khobor halor ka jingso khia kilanot namar ka jingsiew by lutksan ka duna plan ulong haban yai kat kum kyndon wala ma uru songkhia yakni ka phang halor ki jingtip ki babnya halor ki jingja shakta shlei hari lom garo ulai thu ba hapo apsau kanta kidon apsau ngut ki brio ki ba shakta nolor ki jingja shlei tua khando bat ki wepan.
Yes, we have witnessed the last 24 hours condition of especially the rainfall in our state. We have witnessed that it's heavy rainfall. So we have the reports here in West Garo Hills. Landslide has been occurred on the 12th June 2022 at CEO TMB Tura, where 24 numbers of population has been affected. So, and then even on the 9th June also in Barenga Para subdivision, that also flood has been occurred, where infrastructure, few of infrastructure has been damaged. That is in the locality roads and then PWD roads in West Garo Hills itself. And we have witnessed the police, BDO, SDO, PWD, and then PWD roads manager, hatchery and poultry farm under Umsning block that also has been affected. So these are the reports of the last 24 hours. So nothing much when it comes to this report which we have
Any
received.
loss of life?
The last 24 hours we have no receipt of loss of life. When it comes to this calamities which it appear from time to time in our state, uh, prevention has been trying whatever possibilities can be done from the departments and then from the stakeholders. We have witnessed that many people have tried for that, but in the end, as been mentioning from time to time, that calamity is something that which nobody can predict it. So except those man-made disaster. So even a man-made disaster also cannot be guaranteed that it will not occur. So for that, the only thing is that we have to be very much alert, especially when it comes to construction, and then it should be as per the engineers, you know, design and all. So I believe that maybe we can reduce. So even the contractor should do as per the guidelines. I believe that maybe we can reduce. And then when it comes to landslide and all, it's quite difficult to predict where, when. So if we know it in advance that this thing could occur in any place, the only thing is that we can alert the public. So stopping is something is very difficult. But when it comes to this construction and all, I think example like PWD when it comes to road, they have their own mechanism and they are trying to stop it if possible. But in the end, has been mentioned that we cannot predict exactly where it will happen, when it will happen. So if we say that to completely stop moving in that area, then that is not advisable. Otherwise, our people will not be able to travel. So in that way, so the only thing people should be very much alert when it comes to rainy season, that when they travel, be careful. So maybe we can save life through that. We have witnessed that almost all the area in Meghalaya is a landslide prone area. So for that, that's why we cannot predict because we are a hilly region, hilly area. So wherever we go, we witness that landslide always occur. From my side, I really don't know where exactly they have identified all the places in Meghalaya. So for this, we need to have a data which has been collected by our department. As of now, I don't have the records with me.
But is the department in the process of mapping all these landslide prone areas in the
When it
state?
comes to this, our department, we I can say that not only our department, every department which are a part of those construction department, example like PWD roads, PWD buildings, and even other inline departments, they do identify themselves in wherever they have a construction. So for that, the only thing is that they need to provide us the data on that. So, so when it comes to this flood, yes, no doubt, we have witnessed always every year uh, about this flood occur in, especially in Garo region. So for this, the deputy commissioner of those concerned department, I mean those concerned area, so he's looking after this, and then uh, even our officers also the one who's looking after the disaster management, they are connected with them always. So that is how we are working hand in hand. And whenever we feel that they require any kind of assistance or help, so we send it immediately. So that's why our department put that 50 lakh fund in the concerned department, I mean concerned deputy commissioner, so that that money can be utilized in the relief. So that is how we are trying to get connected with them. Actually, I would just like to share with all of you regarding with this. This 15th Finance Commission, they earmark money specific for the disaster management, where that money can be utilized for the entire, I mean, for every year. So in 5 years term, say they give us the fund, and in that 5 years term, we utilize the money. And the reason is that why they give this money to our department is that knowing that these calamities, this disaster happen in every year. So that's why with this fund, we believe that we can reach, if not 100% to our people, at least we are trying to give them some kind of relief, and then maybe some kind of assistance and help to support those affected family. So that is one the most important thing that which the 15th Finance Commission has earmarked money for us. And then when it comes to different requirement of our people, their losses and all. So as per norms, we follow that. Exactly per year, they give us the money for 5 years term. So exact how much is it? I don't remember the numbers as of now, but yes, we do have the details. Compensation is for everything whenever as per the norms if it included. There's a compensation for everything. And I would like to share with you soon we will be having a program in East Janty Hills where uh, the Deputy Commissioner of East Janty Hills, in collaboration with our department, that we will not wait, especially for those incident which happened on fire, the family who lost their houses and all. So for that, we are giving them that, and we'll make sure that we give the compensation to them within a short period of time. It should not be in years. It should be within a week, or maybe maximum within a month. So that is the plan we are doing in East Janty Hills, and I believe that even the other district also can do the same, because this is applicable in all the district. And the only thing is that RDC need to be very much proactive when it comes to this compensation. So they have to utilize it and then reach to the people those who are in need of it. Not only in this fire incident, even the other incident also. Whenever they have the money with them, that money can be utilized for the compensation. That is as per norm. We cannot go against the norm. So I do feel it's very less, but in that less, we cannot make it something, since the norm is not uh, allowed us to go again, so it has to be followed as per norm. So for that, we cannot change anything until unless if the deputy commissioner have some extra fund from their side, and then compensation if they added from their ends. For example, like when chief minister, he feel they needs to give extra compensation for this, he can do that. No bar, there's nothing can be stopped from the art department, but the money which earmarked for us, that only has to be spent as per the norm.